The sky has turned dark and gray. The sky has turned dark and gray. The streets are getting wet. The streets are getting wet. I decide to cook something warm. I decide to cook something warm. The kitchen is small but comfortable. The kitchen is small but comfortable. I wash my hands before cooking. I wash my hands before cooking. The vegetables are on the table. The vegetables are on the table. I pick up an onion first. I pick up an onion first. I peel the potato with a knife. I peel the potato with a knife. The pot is on the stove. The pot is on the stove. I add oil to the pan instead of butter. I add oil to the pan instead of butter. The garlic is also ready to use. The garlic is also ready to use. The rice needs a little more water. The rice needs a little more water. I add warm water instead of cold. I add warm water instead of cold. The rain is still falling hard. The rain is still falling hard. Water is dripping from the roof. Water is dripping from the roof. The balcony floor is completely wet. The balcony floor is completely wet. The rain makes a beautiful sound on the roof. The rain makes a beautiful sound on the roof. I pour a glass of water for myself. I pour a glass of water for myself. My back hurts from standing too long. My back hurts from standing too long. The food is almost ready now. The food is almost ready now. I put 2 plates on the table. I put 2 plates on the table. The tablecloth is old but very clean. The tablecloth is old but very clean. I set the spoons beside the plates. I set the spoons beside the plates. I serve the rice onto the plates. I serve the rice onto the plates. I look at the food with satisfaction. I look at the food with satisfaction. I sit down slowly in my old chair. I sit down slowly in my old chair. My legs are tired from standing. My legs are tired from standing.